Hi there, Amber here. How you doing? Are you all ready for Santa? Because I'm certainly not. But to help you along the way, I'm here today to show you this video about some cute little, what I term as iconic lip kits. So first up, we're going to test out this little retail kit here. This is $25, Charlotte Tilbury, the famous pillow talk. Then we'll move on to Fenty, okay? It's two little lip glosses, gloss bombs, and a little keychain. This retails for $24. And my favourite of them all, and I'm sorry, I can't resist, is Huda Lip Contour and Strobe Kit. Now, this is not new, but is definitely iconic. So, let's change location and get to it and try these out. Move more to the daylight, so I'm right in front of a window so you guys can see the true colour. So the pencil is called Lip Cheat and the lipstick is called Pillow Talk Matte Revolution. So let's test this out. The lipstick is tiny, by the way. Okay, what do you think? Close up. So, nice colour actually. What do you think, guys? I like it. A nice matte pink nude look for every day. So remember, I'm right in front of a window, so you can definitely see the true colour. Okay, that's Charlotte out of the way, on to the next. Let's try Fenty. Next up, we're trying these Fenty gloss bombs, okay? The pencil I'm going to use for this is actually a Sephora lip liner. This is called Suede, and it's a gel pencil, okay? So, yes, I'll speed it up while I'm putting it on. But we're going to try on Fenty Glow first. What do you think? Cute. Got a bit of a brown tone to it. Nice, another kind of nudie look, okay? So, I meant to say these two little gloss bombs, these are $24. I don't know, everything will be linked in the description if I forgot to mention the price or anything. Comes with a little keychain, okay? So, let's try, what's the other one called? Pink Dragonfly. Let's try Pink Dragonfly. Okay, so that's Pink Dragonfly. That's pretty nice too. Okay, so that's your Fenty for $24. with your little keychain and your little mini gloss bombs. So now my favourite, believe it or not, and it's been out for 2 or 3 years, but I don't care, I love it. So let me just clean up here and then we're going to try it out, the Huda. The famous lip kit. So we're going to first of all apply, this is the lip contour, it's called Heartbreaker. Then we do the liquid matte, which is called Heartbreaker 2. Let it dry down a little bit, and then we're going to put on Shameless, the Strobe. Okay, so I will definitely speed up the red liner part because yeah, red, it takes me, I'm long-winded as it is, but red is more so. Just the liquid matte, I absolutely love this colour, but yes, to get it even on camera. So let's try the strobe. Okay, that's the two of them on. Okay, that's the two of them on, guys. Serious sexy lips. So definitely this is my favorite little kit. This was $17.50. Okay, now these are mini size, but I think you're getting value for your money for sure. And a full size lip contour, and her lip contour is the bomb. So this is definitely my favorite kit. So even if you do not buy for somebody else, this gives you ideas for yourself, because when you buy the kits like this, it always works out better value for money. So the one I like honestly the best out of the three is the Huda. There you go. Do I have lips like Huda now? I wish I did. But that's your three little kits. 25, 24, 17.50. So folks, I'll see you in the next video, and I hope you enjoyed, and I'm going to go and enjoy my sexy lips. Until next time, adios, bye.